Dropshipping. What the hell is dropshipping? Dropshipping is basically you find a product on a Chinese website called AliExpress, then head over to the Shopify, create a website for that product, and sell that product for a high value. And you will earn profit just being the middleman. And I am doing this stuff now more than a year, and I have got successful stores, and I am able to scale that stores to 6 figures with great profit margins. But if I have to start over just from the scratch, literally from $0 in my pocket, will I be able to succeed? To find out that, we are creating today's video. In this video we are doing 24-hour dropshipping challenge. In this video I find a brand new product, build a brand new website, create new ads, advertise that product, and able to make at least one sale in 24 hours. So be tuned to the last and see the results what happened in this challenge. The rules are simple, that I have only 24 hours. I can't use my any old winning product. I need to find a brand new product. I need to create a brand new website, brand new ads, and obviously market that product. And doing dropshipping with no money is quite difficult because you can't buy a Shopify plan. But fortunately Shopify has 3-day free trial, which is enough for our challenge. But you can't buy a custom domain. You have to use Shopify default domain, which doesn't look legitimate, like you go on the online store and see the domain is shopify.something./ show that. So that doesn't look a legitimate store. But I think if you have a good product, good ads, and a good website, you might can succeed with the default website. So let's start with this video. First of all, we need to find our product. By following that, I'm using the old traditional method, going on a TikTok, search for the hashtags TikTok made me buy it, Amazon finds, and blah blah blah. So it's TikTok, yes, TikTok. So now I'm going to search TikTok made me buy it.
One pair of pants later. Much later. 2,000 years later. One eternity later.
70 years later.
So I searched some time. I found this product. I know whether the camera can focus on this screen, my mobile screen or not, but I chose that it is a printer that works without ink, and it can print from your mobile. So I think this is a cool product, and the most viewed video has 190 million views. That's a huge number, and that was liked by 12 million people, and we have around 50,000 comments, and the most of comments are positive. I need it, web to buy, I need it for my homework. So I think that is a quite good store for this challenge. So I'm selecting this printer for this challenge. So now head over to the Shopify and create a website for this product. I think let's skip this part of the video, and I will come back to you after finishing the store.
2 hours later.
So now I'm back with my website. I didn't put too much time in it because we don't have much more time, because we are doing 24 hours challenge and I don't want to put so much time in the website. So I'm just going to show you how a website looks like. It's a very simple, neat and clean website, and it is. I give it a name, the Poker Printer 2.0, so the people think that this is the newest version in the market. I just make two variants, pink and green, market for $39.99, and shipping time, return policy, and add some pictures. So the website is ready. Now the time for ads. And for doing ads, because I have 24 hours and we are doing this challenge getting no money, so we can't order ads. We can't order a product from Amazon and then film ads, then publish on a TikTok account and wait for that any video got viral. So we are not gonna do that. Instead of that, I am going online, searching for some clips, and then add that clips and creating ads, and then we go for the market.
1 hour later.
So now our ads are ready. Now it's time for marketing. I'm not gonna use the old traditional method, posting 3 TikToks per day and waiting for some video got viral. I know I'm not going to do that, and because we don't have enough time and I can't wait for that much time. So what I'm gonna do, that I'm gonna send an affiliate offer to many influencers on Instagram, meme pages, YouTube, that promote my product instead of some commission from the every sale. Don't gonna give them upfront any money, and they will earn profit from each sale. So this is beneficial because we don't have to pay anything upfront, and we only have to pay them if they make a sale. So money just don't get wasted. So I'm gonna do that, and I will meet you tomorrow after 24 hours. So
24 hours later.
So this is the time for which are waiting for. This is the time for results. But before seeing the results, let's talk about affiliate offer. Yesterday I messaged a bunch of Instagram pages, influencers, bunch of YouTubers, but many of them doesn't reply. This is maybe because it's not enough time to get response from that mails, but we got 4 responses, and from them one directly said that I am affiliated with another brand and I can't promote your product. So one another, I go on a Zoom call and he asked to increase the amount that we are offering for sale. But if we increase that amount, then we will not be much profit from these sales. I cancel that, and then remaining 2 easily agree to promote our product. Immediately after that, they post videos on their account. So that's the story of the affiliate. Now talk about these sales. Does we make equal to any sales? And for answer of this question, yes, we are able to get one sale. I'm gonna show you quickly on my Shopify dashboard that we are able to get one sale. So here, so you can see we are able to go one sale. So I'm gonna sorry for the disturbance. So as that we are able to get one sale, so I'm gonna say that challenge is successful because we get one sale. So now talk about profit. How much from $39.99 goes in your pocket, and the product costs $17.99, and he's saying $39.99 or $17.99. So I'm 22, and from 22 I paid around $10 to the influencer and around $2 Shopify cut their fees. After all that, we're dollar profitable. So this will prove that anyone can shop for shipping literally from $0. I'm not going to say that you order all that stuff for just $10, but you can still scale this business. This is a scalable business. I'm just sure that you can do with new money, and then you can start pay ads, custom ads, much more things. So that's all for today's challenge, and I hope you like the video. And if you like the video and learn something new from this, so make sure you like the video and subscribe channel.